This is our disassembled parts of our QL5055. We have the back head, the check valve with the choke, the check valve spring, the spacer, the air distributor, and the cylinder. That all comes out of the top of the hammer. Out of the bottom hammer, we have the piston, the stop ring, the bit bearing, the bit retaining rings, the chuck, and finally the hammer casing. So inside of this, you also have 2 O-rings and a valve that can be disassembled and replaced on a rebuild kit. For further information, you want to contact the local service center or your dealer.